Well, hello everybody. She is finished. Okay, so all I done is went and add a few charms here and one bit of lace, I think, to even out here, because I think we had all, oh no, I don't really see, had all that at the back, and then I had that, and there was like quite a big gap here, so I just added a bit of lace on one of the pockets there to even out that bit there. But really pleased, and honestly it feels lovely in your hand, really nice. I'm gonna do this again, definitely. Yeah, so that's the wraparound, which is stitched on a bit of suede or leather, a bit of from the scrap store. Yeah, so there she is, and you can definitely see the coffee stain through as well. I was quite pleased. I think, like I said before, if I put down more matte medium, not matte medium, did I didn't use that, the collage medium, I would have gone through totally the tissue paper to, you know, not see it. But you can hardly see it, and you can see the coffee stain fabric behind it. So there's only just parts, but then I was a bit skimpy, so because I didn't hardly have any left. But it works and it looks good. I don't know whether you can see, and I think that's fine. If anything, I think it adds to the effect because it looks like it's been gessoed, which, you know, I like. Right, yeah, so quite chunky, definitely. And I think I added, oh yeah, just some little tags here. Again, I just put on a bit of string because I had a bit of a slope going on with that bit of lace, and I think that just takes the eye away from the slope, even though I quite like sloping pockets, but you know, it wasn't meant to be. So I thought, well, I'll just add that there, and then they can be taken out and used through the journal. And there's that one, and there's the little booklet that I made with the scrapbook papers. You know, I'll post all that link below anyway, because this was all not very nice scrapbooking papers that we painted with household paint. So that's just a little top spot there, and that's the tag. Yeah, that's a layaway card there, and then because it's perforated, I put washi tape on there. It's just slipping a little bit. That's it. And that was from the freebie kit. I had them hanging around, and I thought, you know, with the flowers and everything, it just looks right. And I think I only added 2 pages of it. You know, the rest is just oddments, music paper and everything. And again, that was from the scrapbooking paper we done. And tags. And that's a false pocket. Oh, here we go. I thought I'd finished. Just got those to do. Just to ink around, and I got coffee stain back of that one. That's all. And replace the thing there. Paper clip. Get right in a minute. That's there. And then these ones I've left plain. I've just embossed them. Yeah. So you can decorate them yourself. And that's just a tag that was hanging around, and I just thought it went. So that's a relief from a cutout, backed in vellum. And then I've got 2 clips here because that was quite heavy, this one, but I wanted the dangle down here, so because I had that up there and I quite like the way that is there, so I wanted that left. There's there, and there's some more tickets and stuff, and then inside here is a journaling card with a bit of lace on. Okay, it's there. I love the way that's turned out. I think this is YVONNE'S digital kit. I'm sure it is. So I'll link that below. And that's there. Oh, yeah, 2 just simple-ish tags. Love that coffee stain. There, just some little leaves hanging around, bit of stamping and everything. Still can write on that with no problem at all. This I sort of changed around a bit with something else there, I think, but that's journaling card there. And made, and that's just an odd bit of paper, but it's I don't know, it's nice. I just thought it looked nice. Looks like rust. And then one of the tags we made in the previous video. That's a bit of lace I added down here. So there's a little flip there. Tag in there. That's the other side of that one that's just been embossed. Journaling card. That's there. There's a little flip there. Music paper that you could decorate a bit, and you could, like I said, leave it over there and put a paper clip in and then have a tuck spot. So it's a little bit of versatility there. Let's put one of those numbers there. It's just like a journaling card, and then I made it into a pocket, double pocket there. Okay, it's done with washi tape and just bits of paper. Oops. Okay. Another pocket there. And journaling card here. Well, it was a bit of a file folder, and I made it into like you know, one of the mini file folders with a little bit of a journaling card in there. It's my last bit of paper of that. I loved that paper so much. I've had it a long time. And just another bit of that coffee stain paper that I love, that looks just like rust. And a little tag there. It's a bit of wallpaper actually, that. I'll change that one as well. That's it. So there's quite a lot going on here. Another one of those, and some more here, and then a large one there. I made those toppers too in a video. Can't remember the video now. Just a bit journaling card. Just might have to stick that down. There's that, and then let's put one of the stickers on the back of that one. Washi tape, Tim Holtz washi tape there. I love this bit here. Okay, alphabets. I just thought that sort of blended in with that bit of pink coming in here. So, and Another one of those. I love this one. That's off a necklace. It's quite vintage actually. So, another number and a flower. Yeah, a seam pocket, just with a bit of collage work on there. And I put another bit of paper in there, the tiny Tim Holtz paper clip with alphabet thing there. And you saw me do this. Okay, that's the envelope. That was just a piece of card that was hanging around, that had lines on it, so I thought napkin on the front, and then what was left from the napkin I put around here, and then put a stamp on and carried it through to the back. Okay, oops. And then thought it looked nice like that. Which I'll put that on in a minute. And then that's a paper clip snippet thing that can be taken out. It's just left over from the butterflies, and I thought it all went, so I used that. Another tag there, another little tag here. Made a pocket out of a tag there. Oh, I added that little stamp because I thought, oh yeah, I like that, because I had it quite plain, and then I saw the stamp hanging around. I thought, oh, that'll go there, lovely. And one of the original tags I made. Let's say this was 12 by 12 papers that I put household paint on, like a buff colour, and then there was a little tiny mark here, because this was only net of glue, so I just put a flower there. And it's one of those big stickers which is blended in brilliantly. And that's the other two little tags. Yeah. Oops. Okay. And this is the back. It's just a little ticket there, and left that one as is. That's what I made the pocket out of. Yeah. And then there's a big piece of paper on this one. I can do a lot of journaling with. So it was just a piece of card hanging around. So in it went. I don't think that's folded up the right way. Okay. That and the back. Okay. Yeah, really happy with that. And again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back very shortly. Okay, got a few videos coming up this week, and expect some fun. Okay then, bye for now.